Welcome to the first section of our tutorial on creating a Hello World program. In this section, we will focus on understanding what a Hello World program is and why it is important. A Hello World program is the simplest program you can write in any programming language. It's often used as a beginner's first program because it demonstrates the basic syntax of a language and the process of writing and running a program. In the second section, let's see how to write a Hello World program in Python. Python is known for its easy-to-read syntax, making it an excellent choice for beginners. To print Hello World in Python, you simply use the print function. Let's look at the code. Now that we've seen Python, let's explore how to write a Hello World program in another popular programming language, Java. Java requires a bit more structure due to its object-oriented nature. You'll need to create a class and a main method as the entry point for the program.